In an era where the twinkle of innovation frequently turns into a torrent of technological marvels, Sony's introduction of the PlayStation 5 Slim, bundled with Spider-Man 2, is not just another ripple in the gaming world. It's a monstrous wave that's set to engulf both enthusiastic gamers and casual players alike. Picture this: the cutting-edge gaming prowess of the PlayStation 5, now in a more compact and sleek version, paired with one of the most anticipated sequels in video gaming, Spider-Man 2. This isn't just another release, it's a game-changer, literally and metaphorically. But what really makes this bundle such an arresting proposition? Let's dive in and unbox this behemoth of entertainment, exploring every facet that Sony promises to revolutionize our gaming experiences. Upon first glance, the PS5 Slim echoes Sony's renowned flair for sleek, futuristic designs that complement a modern living room rather than overpowering it. The original PS5, with its sizable and bold design, often posed a challenge for those struggling with entertainment center real estate. The Slim version, by contrast, is a stylistic breath of fresh air, more accommodating, without sacrificing the visual identity that PlayStation fans have come to adore. The PS5 Slim isn't just a scale model of its older sibling, but a thoughtful redesign. The reduction in volume is complemented by a smoother integration of elements like the disk drive and the USB ports, which are now more subtly integrated. Aesthetically, the Slim adapts the layered design but refines it to a less imposing form factor, making it not just a device but a part of your home decor. Furthermore, the Slim model retains the light bar but with a modified, more understated approach. This is Sony's way of nodding to the essential elements of the PlayStation identity without letting them dominate the console's design language. When it comes to the guts of the machine, one might wonder if the PlayStation 5 Slim makes compromises. The answer is surprisingly reassuring. Sony has managed to condense the architecture without significant performance drop-offs. Powering the PS5 Slim is essentially the same custom RDNA 2 and Zen 2 cores that its predecessor boasted, ensuring that the gaming experience remains uninterrupted. While the thermals and power supply have been tweaked to fit the Slim chassis, Sony engineers deserve a round of applause for their wizardry in preserving the console's core performance capabilities. The SSD remains as speedy as ever, and the support for high frame rate gameplay and ray tracing are unaltered, hence delivering the same rich, immersive gaming landscapes. As technical specifications go, this parity is a profound statement by Sony compromise on size, not on capability. The inclusion of Spider-Man 2 in the bundle isn't just a cherry on top, it's an entire layer of the cake. Developed by Insomniac Games, known for their adroit storytelling and pulse-pounding gameplay, Spider-Man 2 aims to elevate the superhero game genre to new heights. Featuring a deeper narrative and enhanced graphics that leverage the PS5 Slim's capabilities, the game is poised to capitalize on the strengths of the hardware seamlessly. The game's promise of a rich narrative intertwined with high-stakes action poses it as a perfect showcase of the PS5 Slim's enhanced graphic rendering and faster load times. Moreover, the DualSense controller's features like haptic feedback and adaptive triggers are utilized to give players a more visceral and intuitive gaming experience, making every swing and fight through Spider-Man's New York feel more realistic. The burgeoning anticipation for this game, coupled with the new console, adds significant value to the bundle from both a financial and experiential perspective. Gaming performance. Does slimmer mean slower? Many might speculate that a slimmer design could lead to compromised performance, but the PS5 Slim challenges this notion head-on. Comparisons with the original PS5 show that the game load times remain blisteringly fast, and the gameplay itself is fluid, maintaining consistent frame rates even on the most demanding titles. This consistency is particularly notable in graphic-intensive games like Spider-Man 2, where the Slim's performance mirrors that of the original console, ensuring that gamers don't have to trade performance for space saving. The fine-tuning of the cooling system also deserves mention. Despite the reduced internal space, the PS5 Slim runs remarkably quiet, a testament to Sony's engineering advancements in managing heat dissipation and airflow. The community reacts player, feedback and expectations. As soon as the PS5 Slim was announced, the gaming community took to forums, social media, and blogs to voice their opinions. The initial skepticism about performance trade-offs was quickly overshadowed by appreciation for the improved design and maintained specifications. Feedback from early adopters has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the ease of integration into their living spaces and the unchanged gaming quality. Enthusiasts who have laid hands on the Spider-Man 2 bundle report an immersive experience that's enhanced by the console's upgraded aesthetics and user-centric design. This positive reception boosts Sony's standing in the community, reinforcing their reputation not only as a technology leader, but as a brand that listens and responds to its audience. Market maneuvers, PS5, Slim versus the competition. In the competitive console market, the PS5 Slim's launch is a strategic move aimed at capturing a broader audience. When placed alongside competitors like the Xbox Series X and the Nintendo Switch, the PS5 Slim holds its ground with distinctive advantages, particularly with Sony's exclusive titles like Spider-Man 2. The timing of the release, coupled with the inclusion of a blockbuster game, positions Sony well against its counterparts. This strategy not only rejuvenates interest in the PlayStation brand, but also pulls potential customers from the PC gaming market, who might be enticed by the exclusive gaming content and the console's comparative affordability and convenience. Concluding thoughts. Is it worth the hype? The PS5 Slim Spider-Man 2 bundle represents a compelling blend of form, function, and entertainment. For those who have been on the fence about entering the next-gen console arena, this bundle offers a perfect entry point, sleek, powerful, and packed with blockbuster entertainment. Sony's dedication to maintaining the core performance while innovatively reducing the console's footprint is an engineering feat that speaks volumes. Sony's strategic market positioning and product excellence assure that the PS5 Slim is not merely a reaction to consumer desires, but a step ahead, anticipating and shaping the future of home entertainment. Whether you're a gaming aficionado or a casual player, the PlayStation 5 Slim, bundled with Spider-Man 2, stands not just as a product to be consumed, but as an experience to be savored. It seems Sony has yet again not just met the hype, but orchestrated it to a masterful crescendo.